Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to make the best first impression you can at an open house. So sit back, relax, and enjoy what you're about to see. And oh, by the way, stick around for the surprise at the end. All right, see you in a minute. Make sure that the lawn is perfectly manicured. Make sure that you have power washed and the driveway is absolutely gorgeous as somebody drives up to it. Number 3, make sure that as you walk up to the house, everything is just gorgeous. So the only thing that they have to look around at is the view. Make sure that your front is all put together with pretty flowers to greet them. Make sure that you've done your maintenance on your home to take care of all the eaves and all the painting and all that. Make sure that your windows have been washed inside and out to give an absolutely amazing shine to the house. Make sure the back patio is well staged so that this way they know how much fun they would be having in the backyard on those fun weekend days. Make sure that every entrance to the house is inviting and well staged. Make sure that it's light and bright when you walk in the door. Even on the sunniest of days, turn on all the lights. Be sure to bring the outside in by opening up all the windows to show off the outside. Be sure that each room is uncluttered and well staged. After all, we only have one chance to make a first impression. There are blinds on the windows. Make sure that every blind is at the same angle, and then you bring the outdoors in. Make sure that your floors shine. No dust bunnies anywhere. So here we are for tonight's surprise. Well, it is a restaurant in Sandy Springs and it is amazing. It's called Canton Cooks and it is the best Chinese restaurant around. Hold on one second, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Canton Cooks is this little tiny Chinese restaurant that's over in Sandy Springs. Oh, here comes my daughter with our takeout. Anyway, they do a wonderful job and all the food that they have, you would think that you went to China. So delicious. Wonton noodle soup, and they have excellent fried rice, any kind that you like. In addition to that, they have appetizers, dim sum, excellent. So, Canton Cooks, Chinese restaurant in Sandy Springs. Definitely try it out. So thanks for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.